gotta take
Look at this money color right here. This how A1. Swear. Got the whole looking all the way right. Since you got me. Don't be afraid to love me, say, baby. Don't be afraid to love me. What's up, young? Hey, what's up with it?
What's going on?
Shit, nothing much. You alright?
Doing good?
Yeah, I'm good.
What you been up to?
Trying to get it.
What you doing?
Nothing much right now. I got some bars on me.
You from good week? You from good week?
Shit, nah, right now. I'm finna get some though.
Call me. I got plenty for you.
Hey, Destiny. You got some, you say you be having corn?
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, what's it? You got your phone on you?
They want.
Take this number down.
655-4573. Fuck with me, man.
Yeah, I'm gonna hit you.
Give me their number, I'll show you something.
Yeah, I come through there. Where you on? Southwest side still?
Yeah.
Already, I'm be by there.
Yeah, tell her.
Yeah, I got
call my number, so I can have your number. I'll call you a little bit when I
I'm
get
calling
there.
it now.
Okay, I'll call you a little bit when I
Alright,
get
it's a
there.
441 number. Ooh, look at this motherfucker right here.
This good? This right? This good? Okay, I got it.
This hoe. Oh, look at the paint on that bitch. God damn. You got that hoe. I hate one.
Why are we supposed to not be in this line or something?
I don't know.
Oh, this purple boy carrying my camera, not doing nothing.
Hold on, all right, here I come. Man, look at the paint job on this bitch.
It must be like personalized. Like those must be like they had to be that color. I like that red one and that purple one.
Got this hoe right. This hoe, man, this ain't Monte Carlo, Monte Carlo, Monte Carlo, Monte Carlo,
Picture that one and send it to my
Impala.
phone. If you give me a car like
Sorry,
that,
this
I'll love you
Impala right
forever
here.
in a year.
It's like a 65, I think.
It's
Oh, you that
Impala.
purple one right there?
Yeah. If
Impala.
you give me that car, we'll be together forever and ever and ever and ever and ever and ever and ever.
Already.
Look in the inside. She get a picture of the feet too. And send it to my phone.
I'm making a video.
Well, that's my future car right there.
Girl, you gonna be the host?
Yes.
Look, Destiny, she the host.
Even though I don't know how to drive, it's my car.
You learn how to drive. So I
It's sparkly. Can you see the sparkly on the camera? Yeah, I like this. Bad
got
boys.
the candy paint, goddamn me. So you wanna get the
Gotta
back?
get the hood, the back.
Hoe clean the bitch.
It is. I like the color. Oh my god.
I like, look at this hoe right here though.
See, don't look.
Nah, don't lean on.
Look, don't we look good together?
Here, let me get back so I can get you.
Shut up. I
Here,
don't
come stand by the car so I can get you.
I'm good.
Yeah, that's you right there. You're not driving it. Nah, that's you right there. I like that one. Yeah, this is old school. This whole raggedy, but that whole still. And it really basically this one right here.
Are these
that's
cars
the
for
same
sale or they just showing?
Oh, no, that's a car show. They ain't for sale.
So it's somebody's car?
Yeah, somebody's like, you know, they be having competitions and shit. Look, they doing a lowrider competition over here.
I like the way it smells out here.
Woo. Old school. Come on. See what they doing over here. I swear, man, I like that hoe. Get up there, goddamn. Fuck you mean? Say, I like
I
this.
want high school.
Yeah. Some real hood shit. Come on, we'll look at the rest of these cars. Show me.
We saw the good ones.
Shit, yeah, nah, we ain't seen all the good ones.
We saw the best ones.
Look at this hoe right here, man. There you go. Cadillac. That hoe bad. Classic too. Everything original on that bitch. Yeah. Fifth wheel on the back.
Over there.
Those are all 19. Come on.
I'm about to get in the car.
Hold on, we about to go. You could have a place. We in Fort Worth, Texas. It's the phone.
Like we in town center.
That's the phone. Everybody gonna say we gotta leave.
Town center.
I should draw the Impala up here right. They're like, man, get that raggedy ass car. Oh, they Cadillac. What you mean? You just seen all the cars. You didn't see they leg.
That's basic though.
That ain't basic. Sitting on
It's
fours,
compared to the other
tinted
cars.
down,
Oh, I like the sparking.
With the-
Take a picture of this one.
with the burple on that bitch. Huh?
Huh?
I like some Houston shit.
Oh, these sparklers so pretty.
This hoe right here though, man. 212s and look at this hoe right here. The color on that bitch. Wow. Say like that maroon right there.
I want some crazy color.
Say man. Oh yeah. Let me go ahead and get the whole car. I don't make no good videos, I swear.
I like this.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? All right, here. Burgundy with the burgundy seats. Got the roll on that bitch, crippin' blue, goddamn nigga.
That one ain't sparkly though.
No. Oh, gloss down though. See what something like 87 finest with the wood wheel on that bitch. PLC shit, goddamn me.
Yeah.
Come on, we're gonna look at the motor. Yeah. The hydraulics. So right here cleaning the bitch. Whatever it is, like an S10, some shit like that. Got the white walls on the left, you know what I'm saying? Gangsta white walls, tinted down, leaning, sideways, goddamn. T-top, man. See, like, this kind of like the wrong car, the T-top on that bitch. Monte Carlo, like 84, 86. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get this one right here for sure. Yours Regal. That whole clean the fix. Ooh, shit. When I got there, shit wasn't looking too good. Two little guns and a couple of locks and a local one. Probably had my homeboy shot. I don't know why you want that. Got the hoe. Eating up the road. So I ain't gonna lie, this one right here. killing the game. Hold on, let's go all the way around and then we can make our way back up. I think you seen all them. Old school Impala.
Some people that I never knew skipped on banging and didn't take it serious in $10 sticks and never delirious. Not giving a fuck on all the work we done. We just sit back and relax. This shit was so fun.
Hey, shit got going.
Yeah, man, out here trying to look at some of these dudes.
Yeah, man. All these hoes clean.
Man, bro, look at him.
Oh my God. You made a video. I think I seen you walking through now.
Yeah, you heard it, bro.
Yeah, I'm gonna get up out of here.
Alright, man, I won't blame you, bro.
Alright, bro. Alright, man. Alright, let's get it.
It's the last of the cars I think it's on,
Got the whole shit sideways.
I like that one too.
Hey, them hoes cleaning the bitch, bro.
What's up on that one? That one's pretty.
Which one? The blue one?
The blue and purple.
Ooh, blue with the purple on that bitch.
And pink.
Yeah. Hey, nigga riding high in the Sierra. Go ahead, say what's up, man. Riding high. Like I said, she gotta get this one on camera. Yeah, this hoe got trophies in the back, goddamn. You know this hoe clean with bitch.
Okay, you gotta get my purple car again.
Which one? Oh, the one in the front?
Yeah.
The purple.
That's the best one.
Got the dopey brown on that bitch, you know what I'm saying? Old school city,
The rims go.
Grand Prix, goddamn me. Hey, that hoe bad. That hoe cleaning the bitch. Swear. Old school Lincoln, goddamn me. Let me get this Grand Prix right quick. Oh, right here. The nigga had one of these back in the day. I bet he was running that bitch. This hoe clean. This hoe ain't even in the car show. This hoe just sitting to the side, tilted though.
They done it on purpose.
Got the turquoise on the link basket. Old school link. I wouldn't even drive this big motherfucker, I swear. Come on, let's get up out of here. Damn, sorry, look at that Lincoln over there though.
Go watch it one more time.
He got that hoe up high.
Watch it one more time. Get that.
Oh yeah, we gotta get the purple boy, Barney.
That's my car.
Nigga smoking Barney. Goddamn,
That's my car though.
it's her car, so she say. Purple and pink, you know what I'm saying? Shit, this her, that's me right there. You know what I'm saying? That's me right there. This her, you can add that. This all cleaning the bitch though.
I like the seats.
The alligator? Nah, them ain't alligator seats. Yeah, got the alligator
What's
seats
it on
in
the
there,
seat
bitch.
like a rag or something?
Bandana. Got the wheel on that bitch. The wheel on that bitch, you know what I'm saying?
You wanna watch this one more time and then go?
How to get the Impala. Everything must get got, you know what I'm saying? Everything must get got. Oh, they finna go. Well, they finna pull that one out, I think. I seen somebody shit break like that before.
Yeah, they're trying to win a competition or
That hoe
something.
went up and up and up. Didn't go up no more. Hold on, let's let them pull out, baby. This hoe right here.
Yeah.
That hoe bad. Right. So with it. Oh, even the Honda cleaning the bitch, you know it.
Did you get that one already?
Which one? Oh yeah, you gotta get the old school Texas Department of Hoppers, goddamn me. Look, Team Texas. You know what I'm saying? Look, Texas Department of Hoppers, goddamn me. Shit. I like this shit. Oh, they done.
Okay, they're done.
Ooh, hold on, I gotta get the pit too, you know what I'm saying? Hey, can't come to the car show without getting the dog.
Oh,
Not that little one. It's always this big one right here. Oh yeah. Yeah, I had to get that pit on video, bro, before I took out, man. all clean.